To open bObi and replace her front wheel sensor, you will need the following supplies: a new front wheel sensor and a Phillips head screwdriver. Before we get started, turn bObi off. Next, remove bObi's dustbin and flip her over onto a flat surface. You will then need to remove bObi's front wheel. Grip the wheel with your hand and pull straight up, using the screwdriver for leverage. Behind the wheel are 2 screws. There is a larger screw set deeper in the wheel compartment. Use the screwdriver to remove it. Keep this screw and all other screws removed from bObi for later reassembly. For the next step, remove the screws on both sides of bObi's bin. Then remove the corner pieces that were held down by the screws. Grip the brush compartment and pull down to reveal 2 screws on a red fastener. Remove them with the screwdriver. Pull the brush compartment up until it is freed from the red fastener. Then, detach the brush carrier and set it aside. Remove the 4 screws located beneath the brush carrier. Next, remove the 2 screws on the dustbin's red fastener. Remove the fastener and set it aside for reassembly. bObi's cover is no longer secured, so carefully flip bObi onto her wheels. Lift the cover to reveal the mainboard underneath. Remove the 2 circuit plugs connecting bObi's lid to her mainboard. Place the cover aside and you're ready to replace any of bObi's internal parts. The front wheel sensor is located on top of bObi's front wheel. Disconnect the small circuit plug at the top of the mainboard and remove the 2 screws securing the sensor onto bObi. Keep these close by for later reassembly. Remove bObi's wheel sensor from underneath her. Then place the new sensor in the empty space. Align the sensor with the screw posts so the wiring is on bObi's left. And reattach the circuit plug to the main board. Reinstall the 2 screws and you're ready to close bObi. Attach the 2 circuit plugs from bObi's cover back onto her main board. The yellow wired plug connects to the right side of the main board. The white wired plug connects to the center of the main board. Lay down bObi's cover and line up the edges precisely. While holding the top and bottom together, carefully flip bObi over onto a flat surface. Replace the dustbin's red fastener and install its 2 screws. Then install the 4 screws in the space beneath the brush carrier. Plug in the brush carrier. Then replace its red fastener. Position the brush carrier back in its original place and install the 2 screws. Now reinsert the corner pieces on both sides of the dustbin with the arms of the brush carrier linked. Make sure the rubber strip is not stuck under the brush compartment. Then reinstall the 2 screws on each of the corner pieces. Next, reinstall the front wheel's screw. Place the front wheel on top and firmly push down to secure it. Make sure the bin can slide in easily before using bObi again. Congratulations on completing bObi's front wheel sensor replacement and happy cleaning!